Hi, good day, people from Negros. Welcome here to Pinay Ilongga Vlogs. I'm currently in Perth and I'm currently in the Bell Tower. The Bell Tower is an iconic tourist destination located in the heart of the Perth CBD. And this is the surrounding areas. I am in the sixth floor of the building. The bell tower comprised only of the first to the sixth floor. And this is the origin. That is the very remarkable bell tower. That's the a snapshot of what you can see here in the sixth floor. And this is the surrounding areas, the buildings and home of multinational corporations. I'm going now to the P floor. Let's check the P floor. This is the capital's set of bells. Let's go to the P floor. Here. So beautiful. The buildings are so beautiful. Here it is, sixth floor. Did you hear that? The iconic bell is now ringing. Let's go to the fifth floor. Here is the thing. I'm in the sixth floor. Let's go to the fourth floor because that's the origin of the. You can have a look the ringing of the chimney. This is the fifth. This is the Anzac bell. The Anzac bell normally rings around 12 o'clock in the middle of the day. If you hear that sound, that's the sound of the bell. Here, let's go to, this is the building directory. And fourth floor, that's the bell, all 18 bills of information's display. Let's go to the fourth floor. And this is the surrounding areas here. See? It says that the bell, if you hear the sound of the bell, it is very iconic and the origin is sacred, very sacred. I normally visit this place every month or every other month. This is the Mark Crazy it's a very sacred. The ringing of the bell is very sacred and spiritual in origin. Let's go. And they are going to the sixth floor. This is the Anzac. Have a look. This is the 100 years Anzac origin. So have a look. It's the biggest bell and oldest bell in Australia. Let's go to the fourth floor. Fourth floor. Here we go. This is the thing. We're going to the fourth floor. I have to close the bell. Bell Tower Experience Tour. This is very iconic tourist destination in Perth. Let's go. Here we come. This is level 4, and you will hear here all the. That's it. The chimney is ringing, and how it looks. That's how it looks like. This is the list of the historical bell ringings here in Western Australia. All of them, 18 people did the ringing of the bell here in Swan River. 18 of them here. That's the historical and the swan bells. That's the swan bells. How it look like in the evening, and that is iconic bell tower. That's how you pull the rope from one location to another one. It's better if you do the pulling of the rope in the order. It's very organized. And let's go. We'll have a look. This is the video. How it looks like. How it look like.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, very wonderful. Maybe I'll have a look and wait.
And they did very well.
Yeah,
doing the bell.
Yeah, and it's very historical.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is. And the such one. This is how this is a hot metal coming into.
Someone explaining beside
molten
me.
metal into the mold.
They have two kids.
Whitechapel bell.
This is family day out. If you're doing a family day out, you can bring your children here in the iconic bell tower in Perth. Let's see how it goes. I'll show you the demonstration and the pulling of the ropes in the
So
video.
then we see they have the fireproof bricks, special light, and you can see this.
Maybe
is what they
I'll
come in on the
come
early
back
days, how
shortly.
they were doing, yeah. So
Let's go.
from
They are
400
explaining.
years ago, how they was making
Let's go.
bread.
This is how it looked like here. It's surrounded by water. This iconic bell tower is surrounded by the river, and there's a parking boat. So that boat is servicing the Perth city from one location to another location. If you would like to consider, if you are really in a hurry, you can jump in a boat and you can go from one location to another. You see, it's very nice. This is how it looks like in the frame here. So we'll hear the ringing of the bell, the pulling of the bell. I'll show everyone how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. Very nice. This is the home of the Swan River or Swan Bells. That's it. How it looks like. And these are the historical. The Adrian Roberts is the structural engineer when they're building this iconic bell tower. Very, very historical. Here. So the bell tower is comprises of 18 bells and combined mass of about 9 tons, and when rung, exert forces of several times their mass on the support structure. To achieve the required stiffness, the 6-story bell chamber is constructed of reinforced concrete cast in. It's the most relevant phrase in the historical frame. The places of the swan bells. So that's Sir Frank Calloway and Leigh Reynolds. they're very smart and smart. Maybe they are the smartest people during those times. So we'll have a look again. We'll wait. They're still doing the orientation. They're still doing the orientation. Maybe let's go to the third floor. So I'll come back here shortly. Sorry. There, most of the people here talk different kinds of languages. Let's go to the third floor. Let's see how it goes. Third floor. So this is the bell tower experience. This is how it looked like, the third level. This is the third level, and this is the iconic bell tower during the day. This is how it looked like. That's very I think that's it's close up of the bell tower. That's the bell tower during the night time. Some are doing they're doing the
Ladies toilet.
there's ladies toilet here. Yeah. So, I don't know what language they're using. Let's go to the second floor. We'll go back to the fourth floor so that I can show everyone the demonstration of the pulling of the chimney. This is the level 2, and this entirely all the bells, old bells, the ancient bells. And one of the most very historical here is the short history of the time here. Here, time is the most important resource in our lives. If you can see, that's the ancient clock. They just develop over time, and this is how the old clocks look like from that point to that point. And these are here are the historical things, and this is how it looks like here in the second floor. It's very beautiful, and if you're here, I can choose which restaurant would you like. Here, over there. Maybe I'll go there shortly. And surrounded by the Swan River. And this is how it looks like here. Here. This is the most iconic clock. The old clock. And this is the grandfather's clock. Here. The Asian bells, old bells. Okay, shortly will be I'll show you again the fourth floor, how it looks, how the Asian bells, show you everything. And there's also a warning here. Maybe that's the wooden caramel bell. That's the wooden caramel. Okay. The bell was acquired in September 2011 from Zamboro tribesmen living along the Lokma Longa seasonal watercourse. Oh, it's very historical. Okay, I'll show you shortly. This is also iconic place for weddings. This a wedding. This event for weddings. It's very nice. It's very nice. Very memorable. And what's this? That's there's a video over there. How it looked like. That's what's going on. Centenary Federation. Okay, everyone, take care, and I'll show you shortly. And a very different presentation how the chimney operates, how to pull the rope. That's the Buddhist temple bells. Hindu. That's the Hindu. Okay, I'll see you shortly. Take care and see you in my next video.